What's wrong? Why are you currently on? Are you on a helicopter again? Cause mine didn't explode for no reason.
Yeah, I love my helicopter. It's got to do.
Sorry if she's just rapping on the. Yo,
I'm dead.
what's this?
Where are you, Foxy?
Oh, God. Oh, hell no. I'm dead.
Hello.
Okay.
God,
Okay, yeah. What the hell? What the hell? Yeah, I currently don't know what's wrong with the helicopter because they have explosive diarrhea. While Shane just crashing planes, and I'm gonna crash into this random. Oh my god! Sorry if this game has flashing lights. If you have epilepsy, please don't watch this. Oh, they exploded! It exploded! Okay. Again!
why?
Why these planes have diarrhea? I mean these helicopters. One. Okay, what is wrong with the helicopter diarrhea? I love this. This is my favorite thing to ever see in a helicopter, getting explosive diarrhea. Okay, I think it's going well. That random plane flying by. God, I'm just listening.
Hello? Jelly. Jelly, wala.
Oh God. Oh.
Ano ba kalat mo na siya?
Oh. I'm dead. Great. Wow. Oh God. Oh. Oh, my helicopter doesn't work. I don't know why.
Where are you?
I don't know. I'm just an exploding helicopter. This thing can no longer drive.
Mga balat na yan, lalanggamin ako dyan.
Oh my. Oh God. Oh. Oh. Oh God. Shane, are you doing good at riding your plane?
Balat eh!
Oh God.
Pati yung remote
Why
ng...
does this thing move over?
Ano may gawa nila eh?
I love these floating helicopters. Hey, the thing.
Where are you from?
I don't know. I'm still in a random exploding helicopter.
Talaga mo dyan, Elizabeth. Ang babangag na ako, talaga.
Oh, finally. The helicopter doesn't have diarrhea.
Ayan pa, oh. Ayan, oh. Oh, lagay mo dyan.
Okay, now I can play like normally.
Ay, pa!
Wow, I'm shaking screens over
Ayan mo
here.
sa kanya, ayan mo sa kanya.
Yeah, I hate this toddler crying.
Ang nakadibot mo.
At least I don't have a plane diarrhea. I don't have a helicopter diarrhea anymore. The reason why I'm causing the diarrhea is caused by, it's caused by these bombs. They keep on, they're in a bad position. If they, as soon as they spawn, they suddenly explode. Is there anyone here I can sabotage? Oh my. Helicopter just doesn't have any good position. I'm just gonna crash this thing. Oh. Ow.
Nice. Asa si Mami?
Ay, nagluluto.
Hey, why did you hit the diarrhea button? I got another diarrhea copter. I got another diarrhea copter once again.
Kasi daddy mo sayang. Kunin mo.
Game lang.
Oh! Yeah, I don't think I should continue doing this. I might end the video now, so bye and hopefully, whatever.